Welcome to Cambridge English Language Institute. This is Ansar Ahmad. In today's video, I am going to talk about English Grammar Series, lecture number 14. Today's our topic is relative compound pronoun. What does relative compound pronoun mean? A pronoun which is compounded. Compounded means combined with the word ever is known as a relative compound pronoun. Examples: whoever, whenever, whichever, wherever, whatever, however. Let's talk about example. The first example is whoever. Whoever comes, tell them to wait at the gate. Second is whichever. I shall give you whichever you like. Next one is whatever. I want my money back, whatever problem you have. Whenever I see Ali, I feel very happy. Wherever, I shall never forget you wherever I go. Next pronoun we have possessive pronoun. What does possessive pronoun mean? A pronoun used to express ownership and relationship. Let's talk about that. What are the possessive pronoun? Subject pronoun, and we have possessive pronoun. So I change to mine. Mine is what? Possessive pronoun. We, ours, you, yours, he, his, she, hers, they, theirs, it, its. Note: my, your, our, his, her, its, their are used before noun because they are possessive adjective. How you will differentiate between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun? So let's take example. This is my book. Here my is used before a noun book. So when these words are used before noun, we call possessive adjective. Here another example. This is our garden. Here garden is a noun and our is a possessive adjective because it's used before a noun. Next we have mine, ours, his, yours, its, hers. Theirs are used after nouns because they are called possessive pronoun. When they are used after noun, then we call it what? We call it possessive pronoun. Let's take example. This book is mine. Here mine is what? Mine is possessive pronoun because it used after what? After noun. Book is what? Book is a noun. So after a noun. Next we have this garden is ours. So this one is what? This one is possessive pronoun because it used after noun which is called garden.